live masterclass day, and I'm gonna bring you along so that you can see my day before my live masterclass. And if you're someone that has never hosted a live class before, this is gonna show you kind of like what goes on and what you should do to have a good one. And yeah, this is what I do. What is going on? Okay, let's put this on. The way that my master classes go, I usually treat it like an event. I gotta get my nails done. This is my nails right now. So yeah, we're gonna go get it done, and then we're gonna get my feet done. And then we're gonna come back home and do my makeup. You know, I literally treat it like an event. I figure out what to wear, put perfume on. Like, I literally treat it like it is an event, because it is an event. So let me clean my face and do all my morning stuff, and then yeah, we're gonna start. Oh, we gotta shave the mustache today. What we're gonna do, I just finished my skincare and I just realized that I don't want to put makeup on my face today. Like, my skin is not doing its best right now, and I'm just working on getting it back on track. And I wore makeup, so like before I got my fibers removed, I was dealing with a lot of bad skin. Now it's a little better, but I'm trying not to put makeup on. But it's a masterclass day and we gotta put makeup on, so I don't know. Yeah, start my day. It's how we stay skinny. I should have gotten a bigger one, but it's gonna taste so lemony. Ooh, tastes like lemon. Okay. I'm so blessed. Okay. So let me tell you about this app. I am so happy I found it. You're about to get hooked up, okay? You're about to get hooked up. So this app is called Opal. It looks like this when you get in. I used to wake up in the morning, and the first thing that I would do, I would check my phone. What it does, it really helps you stay focused. So whenever you download it, it blocks certain apps like social media apps, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, like all the apps that you are obsessed with, you know. Like, so now this app has schedules. So it has my rise and shine. Right now I am on rise and shine. So from like 12 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. the only app that is open from 12 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. is YouTube, because that's what I use to do my meditations before I go to bed and in the morning when I wake up. You see how all the apps are blurred out except YouTube right here. And then like if I try to click threads, it's literally blocked. Like, I can't use it at all. I've been consistent already with not using my phone in the morning, but this app is like makes it even better, you know. So this is kind of like a little ad, but I promise you they're not paying me to say this. But yeah, this is Opal, and it is, oh my god, it's so amazing. So yeah, okay you guys, so I right now am on ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to help me write a quick email just to tell my audience about the accident of sending them the wrong email at the wrong time. So you guys can see my energy is a little low right now from when I woke up, because I'm like, I hate when something like this happens. And you know, that's why I do a lot of my meditation, so it really helps me and feel bad or anything like that. So like a short email, it's just gonna be an email that's gonna go out around like 2 already, with the regular emails that I send, that I've set up and automated. So yeah, I'm gonna send them that email just to kind of like apologize for confusing them or whatever. So yeah, let me show you that I'm on ChatGPT. So I'm gonna click the voice note. Hi, okay, so can you help me write an email to my Modelpreneur audience, because I'm hosting my masterclass today at 7 p.m. Eastern time. I accidentally sent them an email. Yeah, it's gonna generate this. I'm just gonna obviously make it my own. I'm gonna come here I used to come into you come in, and then I'm gonna put it at the bottom here, and I'm gonna say PS. Quick note to clear things up. If you saw my earlier email, this see you soon. Okay, that's it. We are good now. So it took me a little longer than what I expected. It took me about an hour to finish my morning work session. So now let me go get ready quick to go and get my nails done. I'm gonna be late. It's gonna be at 11:30 and it's 11 now. I'm gonna put my hair in like cute little buns like this. I'm almost ready. I'm almost ready. My outfit is so cute today. Oh, we're giving I don't know, we're giving cute. Okay. My hair needs to be out. Cute little buns. Okay. This little hair is just gonna stay like that, honestly. So as you guys can see, I did not eat yet. Food has not been part of my vocab. Okay, the Uber is coming in 7 minutes. It's okay, honestly. I'm just rushing. Just waiting for the Uber. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Doing good.
What?
How's your morning?
It's doing pretty good so far. Is it just time, or you have some type of event coming up?
Thank you. We are SC Fresh Face. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thank you for coming back.
Of course.
Can I get you some coffee, tea, or anything?
What kind of tea do you have?
I have green.
Thank you. Yeah, my nails stayed on the whole time. Good. My nails. We're done with the nails. It looks so good. Wait. I don't know how to show it. There we go. It looks so good. Huh?
It's gonna
Okay. We are done with our nails. Yo, I need a nap so bad. But anyways, what the email says, and when people reply, it means that the class is gonna be amazing. So I'm excited about that.
Having a good day so far?
Yeah, I'm having a good day. And you? Okay, you guys, the master class is happening in 2 hours. No, oh my god, I'm lying. In 4 hours. And I am now having lunch. Sleepy. I want to take a nap. But yesterday I traveled. I got here. So I'm like still tired from traveling. But yeah, we're gonna have our lunch. I'm having a ham sandwich, cheese, mayo, Dijon mustard, and some chips. So I barely ate today. I didn't have any breakfast today. I only had a yogurt for breakfast. I think I'm gonna go close my eyes after for maybe like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna get up and start setting up the class. Look over my notes, set up how I want it to be. Usually when I'm like traveling and I'm hosting classes like this, the most important thing is Wi-Fi. I know the Wi-Fi is really good in this house, so it's gonna be the setup of the class. So my MacBook broke, so I'm using a monitor to like, you know, work around that, but we'll figure it out. I always figure it out anyways. That is all, honestly, what I have to do. I just took the best nap ever. And I just woke up from my butt. This is what I'm gonna wear for the class. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna show you what I gonna wear for the class. It's just like a little dress. Oh, let me show you right here. It's like a little dress. That's what I'm gonna wear. I am kind of cold though, so I don't know if I'm gonna wear this yet, but anyways, so now I'm going to set up the workstation that I have right now. I can have this class, so let me do that now. Guys, so it is 4:50. So it's 5:50. Yeah, it's in time, y'all. I still have a sleepy brain right now, but let's see. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. I want to close all these tabs that I have right here. Closing all these damn tabs. I elevated the computer so it's like up because I can sit this way. Camera is right in my face. I'm gonna bring more light in here. I love this little light that you can just plug in. So I'm gonna have this. Okay, Boom. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, now I have to test everything. So I'm gonna test what it looks like. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna go on Zoom. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my screen here. So we're gonna do the class on this screen. My skin looks so good, so I'm so excited because I was like, maybe I'm not gonna put a lot of makeup, which I'm not. And then I'm gonna share my screen. So now I'm gonna practice my slides just to be comfortable with it. Close this up. We're just gonna practice for maybe like 10 minutes. It looks good. There's a model, no agency, less followers, and same starting point as you. What is the difference? The difference is that she has strategy. So I know this because I was that model doing free shoots, not getting signed, trying to get. I realized that the brands were paying. They were actually paying. I'm gonna do a quick makeup. Like, it's not gonna be crazy. I just want my eyes. We're definitely gonna put like mascara and lashes, but I don't think I want to do like an actual full face of makeup. We're just gonna cover a little bit of like. So this is the hair makeup. Got my little afro. This is the dress which I showed you earlier. They're only gonna see me like half, but you know, I just wanna make sure I look good. We are ready. Okay, we are ready. Everything is ready. Cord. You look beautiful as always. Thank you. I appreciate you. You guys, I'm so happy and excited for this class today because it makes me so happy to just be here and talk to you and help. I think if I'm gonna host this class again, I'm gonna have a bunch of questions that some of the models ask me all the time. Okay. Kalia asks, we just hosted the master class and it was amazing. I just think that like doing these classes, like going live, this is like the fastest way. Build a brand, of course, make money as well, build trust with your people. So that's like the fastest way of doing that. So I'm really happy that I did. But yes, I am excited. I'm recording it. I don't usually give recording like for people that didn't show up. I used to do it, but now I don't because I try to push people to show up live. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna give them a recording. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I do record every meeting though because I always feel like I might need it later. So yeah, we recorded it and yeah, the class was so good. I'm really happy. I feel like hosting this every week, going live every week in this for this masterclass is gonna be so good for Modelpreneur. But yeah, I'm now going to create a thumbnail for this video. Yay! I'm so happy. I feel good. I believe this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, being here on my masterclass day to see how it goes. This is literally what I do. Whenever I want to host a very successful masterclass, I make sure that my morning routines are really good. I treat it like it is an actual event. I get ready, I get cute. Yeah, because all of it really plays with like how you're performing. It really plays with like how you're doing and like, yeah, like your energy also have to be like very not high or anything, but like it just has to be positive and good. So oh, this is heavy. Okay, I'm gonna take a thumbnail and then yeah, thank you so much for being here and I appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.